My country people, this Evan Okoro na the female version of richest. Dikeh sabi at abeg. I was just watching her perform in this particular video. I was just laughing. I say, wetin be this? Hey God, make I play the video, make una take una eye see wetin this girl. This girl na confirm way. See, hey God, make I play the video, make una watch.
Mama. I will give you the ghost. That girl, she will sign anything. I tell you. If I knock you, come and show you something in my business. Come and show you something in my room. Like the same business they here. Calm down.
This girl sabi at abeg. I just dey laugh since I watched this video. I say, wetin be this? This Evan Okoro, wetin? You won't buy somebody with laugh? Seriously, Destiny Etiko sabis this film business. So see, as you just selected the best actor for this particular role now. Casablanca, the film coming your way. Turn on your post notification cause it go loud. Hello. I give it all to this Evan Okoro. She sabi art. My people waiting on I think. Drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more when news with the tutorial body. Una see they do one for here. Stay safe out there. Yeah now. Bye.